Wow, that stock idea you gave us last time really shot up. I've been following it every day. Maybe we should be selling it already. It's up 15% since we bought it.
You make us sound like day traders, Stu. Aren't we supposed to be investing for our future?
Fair enough, Missy, but I say sometimes it's better to take your money and run.
Well, what do you guys think? Are we supposed to be selling stuff after we make some money on it, or are we supposed to be holding long term?
Why don't you give us some background on this? The whole short-term trading versus long-term investing concept. Which is better and why? And when should we be selling our investments? While you're at it, I'd love to learn more about dividends versus stock appreciation. Which is better there too? Think of it like a little research project for us.
You're right, Stu. All that would be good to understand.
I also think we're not doing enough with our business in terms of saving taxes. I mean, maybe we should be doing more. We pay so much in tax. It would be great to know all the different things we could be doing to minimize our tax bill.
Yeah, there's a whole area here of business planning that we're missing out on.
At some point, I expect you're going to give us a full financial plan. Everything from investments to insurance to retirement planning.
Sorry to interrupt, Stu, but I just realized we haven't talked about wills yet. It's a bit complicated with Stu having children from 2 marriages. We made sure to tell my sister when our kids were young that we wanted her to be the guardian of our children if anything happened to us, but we haven't formally written out our wills. We talk about it every few years, but end up fighting, usually about how much MJ will get versus the other 3.
I say we divide up evenly, 25% each.
But that's not really fair. MJ is already working and an adult. If we died tomorrow, he'd be just fine, but the other 3 have school to get through. And Evan and Jana would need someone to help them out at home. I don't think Evan can even make craft dinner. He had to bake something for home economics class at school last year and bring in the recipe, and I found out later that he brought in a ham sandwich. All the other kids were baking pie and cakes, and there's Evan with his ham sandwich and the recipe of how to make it.
That kid can be a knucklehead sometimes.
Just as long as he keeps scoring those goals.
You got that right.
Okay then. I think that's all from us. Have a great day.
Bye.